Hello and welcome to HW News. Globally, coronavirus has infected over 1,56,00,000 lakh people and more than 6,37,000 people have died. In India, as of now, there are a total of 12,87,000 cases of coronavirus. More than 4,40,000 are still active cases. 8,17,000 have either been cured, discharged or migrated, and 30,601 have died due to coronavirus. India today recorded more than 49,310 new coronavirus cases and 740 new deaths. Now, this is the single biggest hike in coronavirus tally in India ever. Let's now move on to important news of the day. Bengaluru saw an alarming rise in the number of COVID-19 cases since June 27th as infections rose by more than 10 times till July 13th, forcing the state authorities to enforce a strict lockdown from evening of July 14th to the morning of July 22nd. The numbers during the lockdown, however, do not seem to be very encouraging. Bengaluru urban recorded an aggregate of 13,972 cases between July 15 and July 21st, the 7th day of the lockdown. This was a 45% increase from the 9,608 cases that were recorded in the preceding week. Now, Bengaluru witnessed a higher growth rate than any other major city in India during the last week. This means that the incremental rate of cases in Bengaluru with a lockdown was higher than MCD, that is Mumbai, Chennai and Delhi without a lockdown. Let's now move on to next news. A government doctor in Karnataka who was turned away by 3 private hospitals because he could not produce a coronavirus test result died today in Bengaluru. Dr. Manjunath, who was a frontline COVID-19 doctor, was allegedly turned away by hospitals when he was extremely ill and struggling to breathe. Dr. Manjunath worked in the State Health and Family Welfare Department and he was based in Ramanagara district, which is around 50 kilometers from Bengaluru. In June end, Dr. Manjunath went to Rajashekhar Hospital in JP Nagar, BJS Global Hospital in Kenigeri and Sagar Hospital in Kumaraswamy layout. All the 3 hospitals demanded to see his COVID-19 test result, but those were still not in at the time, according to his family. His brother-in-law, Nagendra, who is also a doctor with BBMP and in charge of allotting hospital beds, yet he was completely helpless when it came to his own relative. And Dr. Manjunath had to pay the price with his life. Let's now move on to next news. In an effort to jointly combat the novel coronavirus, Israel on Thursday said that it will send to India on board a special flight, a research team which has been working with the Indian side to develop a rapid testing kit for COVID-19 which can give a result within 30 seconds. In the coming weeks, Israel's Ministries of Foreign Affairs, Defense and Health will lead an unprecedented anti-COVID-19 cooperation between India and Israel. An Israel embassy statement said this. Now, a special planned flight from Tel Aviv to New Delhi is set to carry a high-ranking Israeli Defense Ministry research and development team which has been working with India's chief scientist K. Vijay Raghavan and Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, to develop rapid testing kit for COVID-19 in under 30 seconds. Let's move on to next news. A 14-year-old girl who was undergoing treatment at a care center in South Delhi's Chhatarpur was allegedly sexually assaulted by another coronavirus patient in the washroom, police said on Thursday. The incident took place on the night of July 15th when the girl had gone to the washroom. The 19-year-old man who allegedly sexually assaulted her was arrested along with one of his associates, adding that both have been sent to judicial custody. That's all for COVID-19 update today. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.